Hi everyone, welcome to the week of September 23rd through the 29th. Um, what I would like for you guys to look at are the online assignments. And these are things I would like for you guys to work on at home. And one of them is a PBS virtual lab. There will be a link on your Schoology page. And I would like for you guys to use that lab to help you complete page 6 on your OneNote. I've gotten some emails about people with some questions about that. Notice your online assignment says to finish the 1.1.6 CER after we start it in class. So please wait until after you see me in class to complete that. Your in-class assignments this week, we will be doing atoms, molecules, extended structures, and substances. And then we will talk about the CER. I would like to go into some explanation on the CER, especially after going over your pretest, so that you guys know more of what is expected. Our Zoom hours are usually on Wednesdays at 2, except when we are doing the NWA. So we will be doing the NWA again this Wednesday. We're going to do it on Wednesday the 23rd and then Wednesday the 30th. If you need help, you can always send me an email or you can send me a message on the Microsoft Teams. I hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend. And let me show you real quick if I can. Let me escape here. This is your PBS simulation. Forgot that I wanted to show you guys this. And so when you will click on this link that will be on the update, you can open it up further if you click on this link right here. And notice it says launch. So if you launch this, and it will load. Make sure that you go through each one of the slides. There are 26 slides, and there's kind of a little quiz about the subatomic particles at the very end. Hopefully this will help you, like I said, on page 6 of your STEMscopedia. Talk to you later. Hope you have a good weekend.